Hi, I'm Mike Buenaventura with the Archambault Buenaventura Team and Century 21 Sun Country Realty. And today, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions and debatable topics in real estate today, and probably since the beginning of time. And that's, do open houses work? 1000% they absolutely do. I'm going to cover the reasons why they work. But first, I'm going to address the argument that they don't work. And that's people saying that we as realtors will pick up clients through your open house that doesn't result in the sale of your actual home. And by people, I mean other realtors that don't run them and sellers that don't want them done on their listing. Does that happen? For sure it does. We get the nosy neighbor all the time come through just wanting to check out what's going on with your place, what you've done to it. That happens. We get the people that come in are just curious. This home isn't quite for them and they're not working with the realtor and they decide to work with us. Yes, that happens. But I can tell you, for as many times as that's happened, we've actually sold your home through the open house. And this is how. The biggest reason is actually 1A, 1B, and that's allowing buyers, potential buyers, to come through for the first time because they're kind of curious that the home may work, but they're not sold on it quite yet to have their realtor come out and show them. So they come through the open house. Why not? It's open, 2 hours, we're in the area, let's go check it out. They come through, it turns out that the home actually might work for them, and they're quite interested. I can tell you almost every open house weekend, we get within a few hours of that open house ending, we get showing requests from realtors whose clients have been through the open house and are quite curious and actually like it. So that's 1A. 1B is the opposite. They've come through during the week, potentially with their realtor. They like it. They're excited. They want to keep that excitement, so they'll bring parents in or friends and family or the kids. They'll want to show people, hey, we like this house. We might write an offer on it. So they come through the open house, not bothering their realtor again. And then at that point, people start to fall in love with it. The family starts to like it. It can just build value in that potential buyer's minds. So just for those two reasons alone, 1A and 1B, to get the most amount of money for your home, if that's truly the end goal, which it should be, those reasons alone should have you having open houses. The other main reason too is why not? Why not make your home available as much as possible and as easy to see? So if that nosy neighbor comes by, maybe they end up loving what you've done with the place and they tell their niece or nephew or their cousin or sister, hey, this house is for sale down the street from me. You should go check it out. We absolutely want as many eyes on the prize as possible. And to do that, we open the doors, open house. So I can give you multiple examples of where they've worked. Almost every other listing. Are there chances where it won't work on your home? Yes, but if we don't give it that shot, we can't say we didn't try everything. We just had a home in Harbour View South, 2-bedroom, unfinished basement. We had 4 showings throughout the week that we were on the market. We ended up with 4 offers. Are you telling me that every person that showed the home with their realtor or viewed the home with their realtor wrote an offer? No, we actually ran 3 open houses that weekend. Saturday, Sunday, it was a long weekend, family day, we ran it on Monday as well. Through each open house, we had 5 to 6 groups. I actually recognized names from the open house list on the offers that came in. So 3 out of the 4 offers that came in were through that open house, either for the first time, the only time, or the second time. And that enabled us to get the most amount of money possible. So again, why not open your home that you are truly trying to sell for the most amount of money as possible? Open houses work. Go with a real estate team that's going to run a lot of open houses, be available, and make your home sell and show for the most amount of money as possible.